Okay, what we're going to look at now is how you can set up a Slack webhook to pass execution results into Slack. So when journeys and tests are run in Virtuoso, you can get notifications in Slack when they have completed, including links to get the execution results from Slack. So to do this, we need to go to the organization dashboard, come into apps, and then we're going to install the Slack app. To do this, we would select a user to assign this to, and it's always a good idea to create a unique user just for integrations. So I've got my user here, which is only used for integrations. I'm going to install the app. Now what I need to do is go across to Slack and configure to create an app and get an incoming webhook. So if we go to Slack, it's a good idea you could create a channel. So I could say I want to create a channel which is called Virtuoso Results, for example, and create that channel. Now what I need to do is create an app to create my webhook for, to create the integration. So I'm going to go to my workspace, settings and admin, manage apps. I'm going to build a new app, and I'm going to create an app, which I'm going to do from scratch. Call it, let's say, Virtuoso Test Results, and assign it to the workspace, create the app. Then I'm going to specify an incoming webhook, activate it, and add a new webhook to the workspace, put it into the Virtuoso Results channel, and allow access. That creates my webhook, which I can copy, and now I can go back to Virtuoso, configure my Slack app by putting in the webhook, and I'm going to configure to receive results off the back of execution plans, so scheduled plans or executions, and save. And what we should see now, if I go back to Slack, is in my Virtuoso results, the Virtuoso app has been launched. So now what we can do is come in, go into a project and load up a goal. Let's look at our expressions test plan. So when I now execute this and the test is running, which we will see, so Virtuoso is running through the test. When it has completed and we go back to Slack, we see that we have a notification has come through that says the execution of this particular plan, the goal, has been executed, and we get a link into that. So if we click on execution, it passes us into Virtuoso and shows us the link to that execution that was run. So it's a great way, particularly if you've got scheduled plans and you just want to receive the output of those with links, then you can have it where you're being notified through Slack.